يلا Okay, okay. We are going to start right now. Marcela, Catherine, Juan, welcome to the class. How are you today?
Welcome.
Very good, Juan. Awesome. What about you, Marcela?
Hello, teacher. Good evening. I'm great.
You are great. That's fine. Thank you for being here. Catherine, how are you today?
Hello, teacher. I'm very good, and you?
I'm doing great. Thank you. That's a pleasure to tell you and to be here with you. Okay. Thank you for your question. Thank you for being here, guys, and for coming to our last class. Remember that today we are going to finish with our, give me a second, my camera, it's turning on. Okay. Everybody, thank you for coming to our last class. As you remember, this is our review, not evaluation, but practice day. Okay, this is our review and practice day because we will finish with this level. You know, we are in Business English 1 or Advanced Level 1. And well, you know, everybody, today our activities are presentations, okay? We learned during, give me a second, guys. During the last 2 weeks of this level, everybody, actually during August classes, since August 7th, we've been talking about how to make a presentation, how to deliver our presentations, and how to create your presentations correctly. That's why, everybody, today I want you to listen to your presentations. In this case, Juan told me that he couldn't prepare a presentation because of different situations during the week. And I understand that, okay? Thank you for letting me know, Juan. Now you have the
But
opportunity to hear your,
yes, sorry. Yes,
yes,
I have a problem. If it's possible, I would like to do it just with my voice. If it is possible.
yes, of course. I don't have any problem with that. I would have liked to listen to your, well, to listen and see your presentation, but in case you are just prepared orally, it would be great, okay?
Okay.
Yes. So, well, we will listen to Juan in this opportunity, guys. Also, well, in case you have any trouble, everybody, you can let me know. But in case you are ready, so we will do it like that. Okay, as you know, guys, and as I told you, today is presentations day. Time to put into practice what we have learned in our class. In this opportunity, guys, we are 5 people. Let me ask all of you guys if you're ready. Marcela, are you ready with your presentation?
Yes, teacher. I'm ready.
Okay. Catherine, are you ready with your presentation?
I'm sorry, teacher. What?
Okay. Let's check the presentations that we have on the presentations that we have on the WhatsApp group, or check the YouTube channel classes, okay? Or the classes on the YouTube channel. Because this day, remember, guys, since it's our last practice or our last class, we won't have classes. So there is no content for today's class, everybody. We just have presentations because we learn how to make presentations, how to deliver the presentations, and how to create the visual aids. But in case you are not ready, don't worry, okay? Marilyn, are you ready with your presentation?
Half and half.
Yeah, okay, a little bit, okay. Let's do our best, okay? Let's do our best in
Half
today's
and half.
opportunity.
Okay.
And what
Yes.
about you, Javier? Are you ready with your presentation?
I guess, teacher, I guess.
You guess.
You're
Okay.
Yeah,
honest. You're honest,
Yeah,
Javier.
yeah, I really like, guys, that you were very honest when I ask you if you're ready, okay? But, well, we will do it in this way. I don't know. Do you need some time to practice, organize your ideas? Yes? Or we can go straight to the point. Huh?
What? Sorry.
Do you need time to prepare, or Do you or do you want to go straight to the point? Go straight to the presentations.
If you can, I will try it first, and then
Oh,
the other comrade maybe
Then me.
can
okay. In this
have
opportunity,
more time
guys,
to prepare it.
yes, of course, we have. Actually, we have a lot of time today. Okay. Let me tell you guys, I will give you 5 minutes for you to get ready, to prepare, to
Damn.
organize your ideas, and to deliver your presentation on your own. Not with me, not with your classmates, on your own. And I won't visit you, okay? You will be on the break, you will be in the breakout rooms. I won't visit you to avoid well, to help you guys, you get ready and also you prepare, okay? I don't want you to get nervous before your presentation. So that's the reason why I won't go to your group, okay? So you can activate your camera, or in this case, your microphone, guys. I think you can, give me a second, guys. Let me share, let me see if you can share the screen. Yes, you can share your screen. So in case you have a presentation, share your screen in the breakout room. Okay, remember, you will be alone. Nobody's going to bother you. So you can present or you can share your screen and start your presentation on your own. Not with me, just on your own. Okay. 5 minutes, everybody. After the 5 minutes, I will bring you back. Okay. In this case, Catherine, I know you don't have a presentation ready, but if you can start thinking about some ideas about a topic you like, about the topic you prefer, it will be nice. You can look for some information on the internet, and well, maybe you can help us and present. Okay, good.
Okay,
The,
teacher.
the rest of you guys, if you have a presentation, share your screen and start your presentation alone. And if you don't have a presentation, so let's do it on your own. So guys, see you in 5 minutes. Bye-bye. Great. All of you are in the class. So right now we will continue. Guys, in this opportunity, I have decided that we will present in alphabetical order. Okay, it means everybody that our first person is going to be, let me see, one, it's going to be Javier. Okay, thank you, Javier, for being the first volunteer that I chose. Okay, then the next
Okay.
person, guys, is going to be Juan. The third one, it's going to be, let me see, Marcela. And the fourth, it's going to be Marlene. In this moment, guys, Catherine can't present because she's having troubles, but she will be here as a listener. Okay, we will start right now, and I hope everybody you are ready. I wish you the best, and we can start. Javier, tell me, are you ready?
Yes, of course, teacher.
And me,
Excellent.
me.
Okay. Do you need to share your screen?
Well, I will share my screen. Give me a
What
second.
number, teacher, what number I am?
You are number 2.
Ah, okay.
Remember, guys, you have 4 minutes to present. So in case everybody, your 4 minutes are over, I will raise my virtual hand. I will do this.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can. Okay, so please, guys, pay attention to my screen, because if you see my virtual hand raised, it means that your time's up. Okay, but don't worry about this now. Okay,
Okay.
let's start with your presentation, Javier. Go ahead.
Okay. Hello, good evening, everyone. Let me just start by introducing myself. My name is Javier, and I have the opportunity and the pleasure to share with you a presentation. I like to talk about business, okay? The objective of this presentation is to explain some tips for a business. I divided my talk into 3 main parts. So, without further ado, let's begin.
No, come voy, no tengo. No.
The first part, what is a business? Well, it is an activity or work that is done to make a profit, especially consists of carrying out commercial operation, buying and selling merchandise or service. To be more specific, business is to invest to win, right? Let's now look at the second part. Tips to create a business. As you can see, I have 4 tips. The first, evaluate your investment capacity. The second, know what you want to invest in. Next, having defined dreams and goals, it's very important that. And the last one, my favorite tip, have the courage. By the way, some people have the courage, but not the knowledge, and therefore fail. This brings me to the third and final point, which is how to make a business work. As an example, first of all have a good administration. Moreover, good customer service and kindness. And you can use social media to publish the product and services. Those are some examples how to make a business work. To conclude, I like to say that the opportunities sometimes come, but you also have to look for them and build them. Did you know that? Today, there aren't many job opportunities, That's why many people decide to start a business and they do very well. In my experience, I can say that businesses are very good. In conclusion, I would like to finish by saying this phrase: don't be afraid to fail. Be afraid not to try. Okay, this was my presentation. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you all for your time and attention. I hope that this has been useful. Thank you. I'd be glad to answer any question.
I
I
have a
would like
question.
to, well, I
Oh,
would like to ask something, but the problem is that I don't have anything about it business. So that's good. For me, that's good.
Okay, great. Thank you.
yeah, it was a great presentation, but I want to ask you, Javier, what is your business about?
Well, in my case, I have a hardware store and I have been working in that business for 5 years.
Okay,
Yes,
thank you.
you're welcome.
Okay, no more questions. Javier, thank you. Oh, Javier left. Come on. Okay. Well, what a shame, everybody. But Javier did a great presentation. He explained. Okay, so he explained very well the topic. He gave some tips, and he uses many phrases that were related to how to make a great presentation. So he did it really good. Also, the colors and the visual aids that he used were great. Let me see, Javier is coming, so I will tell him my feedback. Hello, Javier.
Hello, sorry, I have a problem with the internet.
Oh yeah, I guess it was the problem. Well, let me give you some feedback, Javier. I want to tell you that I really like your presentation. I was talking to your partners, to your classmates, that you used many phrases that we learned and how to make a good presentation. You gave some tips, You explained very well each part of your presentation. The time was nice. Let me tell you that you took 3 minutes and 48 seconds to present. It was short but clear. And well, all the things that you did were great. The presentation, the colors that you used, the visual aids were really good also. So congratulations, Javier. I really like your presentation and the way you
Thank you.
did it. So continue like that,
Thank you,
guys.
teacher.
Okay, you're welcome. Glad for you, Javier. Let's move on to our next participant, and it's Juan. In this opportunity, Juan, well, he told us that he doesn't have a visual, well, he doesn't have visual aids, but no, it doesn't matter, guys. We will continue. Please pay attention to Juan right now. Are you ready, Juan?
A little bit. I have a, I'm coughing.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Good evening, guys. And this opportunity, well, I'm not going to talk about anything about business as my classmates spoke. Uh, not about a famous person, not about, okay, nothing extravagant. So, but I'm going to talk about something very important. It is moral values, right? Well, first of all, my name is Juan, as you know, and well, I'm going to talk about a reflection on a topic that today we have lost. They are moral values like honesty, respectful, humility, and love. Why? I said all of them. So because as you remember, guys, I don't know what are or which are your ages, but if you are more than 30 years, you know what I'm saying, right? So because when I was a kid, uh, my father taught me many values, like as as I mentioned before, that's like honesty, love, humility, and something like that. So I remember when I was walking in the street and the person close to me, I have to greet him or her because my father is he was so angry if I didn't do it. So if for another example, if we found a person in that person was doing something, well, I have to help her or help them, right? But I think those are values we have lost. As a result, we have unconscious violence, abuse our children's, adults, and older people. So all those bad models becomes the problem that we have, and I think and that's we're just getting out of it. And my advice for you guys, I don't know if you are kids or not, but my advice is since since he or she start to understand things, you have to push with values because if you push with the values, well, the result will be better. You have doctors, you have engineers, you have uh, doctors, and so on, right? In my case, I'm doing my part, right? I don't know if you are doing your part, so it's you have to do it because I want to live in a better country. I want to live in a good environment for my children. So, but if we have to start to change our mind, our life lifestyle. So we go back. Well, and I don't want to go back out to what I had. So, well, this is my a little presentation. It's not a presentation. It's like a advice. So it is all, my friends.
Thank you, Juan. It was a great, well, you said that it was not a presentation. I could say that it was a speech, so it was great, or as you said, it was advice, because this is really important. Actually, this is an important topic that it's kind of uncomfortable to speak about, not because it's not correct or it's something that people can't talk about, but people don't like to speak about this topic because some adults prefer not to be polite, not to use or continue using the core values that we have learned when we were kids. As Juan said, well, maybe society changes through the time, but there are some people that, well, even they are adults and they are mature, well, it is supposed that they are mature, they don't like to practice any values, as Juan said. But now we have the opportunity. Well, Juan mentioned something important, and is that if you have kids, make your part, make a change through your kids, okay? If you don't have kids yet, because maybe some of us will have kids in the future, but if you don't have kids, but in the future maybe you will have, try to do your part by teaching them core values. At the end, they will understand that this is something important in society. Because if we do our part, as Juan said, it will help us a lot. Okay, very good, Juan. Even though it was a short presentation, actually you took 5 minutes. It's okay. Okay, you took 5 minutes in your presentation, but it was a very important topic that we have to speak about. Okay, and also that your classmates can take into account. The vocabulary was great, also your pronunciation, and well, maybe our fluency can improve. I know that it was because we were not that ready as we could be, but it was also great. Okay, continue working
Thanks.
hard, Juan. I know you're
it's
amazing in English.
because it came out from my heart.
Yeah, okay,
I improvise all the things. I don't have nothing written.
Okay, so it was something nice, okay? It was also something nice. When we speak from the things we feel, actually that's more honest than our presentations that are already prepared. I'm not saying that that's something bad, everybody, but it can also help us to do better presentations or to do good presentations, okay? Very good,
Thanks.
Juan. Thank you for your advice in this opportunity. Let's move on to our third participant. It is Marcela. Marcela, are you going to share your screen, right?
Yes.
Very good. Okay, please help me out with, well, sharing your screen. And once you are ready, we can start.
Okay, teacher. Um, okay. Good evening, everyone. As some of you already know, I'm Marcela, and today I like to speak about tips for keeping a good health. And I plan to be brief in about 3 or 4 minutes. Let's move on. Okay, tips number 1, get enough sleep. It's important sleep about 7 or 8 hours each night. And this will help your body repair and recharge. Tips number 2, avoid smoking and excessive alcohol consumption. But smoking and excessive alcohol intake can increase the risk of many health problems in our body. It's important as well eat a balanced diet. We should follow a balanced diet and with fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, proteins, and limited add sugars and processed foods. Also, it's essential practice good hygiene. And we should wash our hands regularly, and also cover your mouth when you cough or sneeze to prevent the spread of germs. Okay, and manage stress. It's important and find healthy ways to manage stress, and such meditation and do exercise and spending time and doing an activities for relations. Finally, and it's a point relevant, stay hydrated. Drink and water and the day to keep your body hydrated and functioning properly. That's all I want to say about topic. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Marcela. You took exactly the 4 minutes to present, and that was nice. Okay, I really like the topic because you are talking about how to be healthier or how to stay healthy if you are still healthy, right? That's something amazing. The vocabulary, I know that in some cases it's kind of difficult, not because it's not common, but it's kind of technical. Hygiene, for example, if you're talking about good things we have to do, like washing our hands, like brushing our teeth, like taking a shower every day. So we are talking about hygiene, to always drink water, stay hydrated. So it was good, okay? It was nice. I like your fluency, and the visual aids that you use, they were direct. You didn't use a lot of text. Actually, you use images and in like a short sentence or maybe the most important topics of it, and it was nice, okay? So thank you, Marcela, for your practice. Thank you for making your presentation very attractive to people. And well, I consider that all of your classmates were paying attention to you, okay? That's for you, okay? Good job. Claps. Let's see. Right now, everybody, we need to finish our class with Marilyn Brizuela. Well, we will finish our presentations, not the class yet, but our presentations. Marilyn, are you ready to present?
Yes.
Yes,
50-50,
amazing.
50-50.
Okay,
Yes.
that's good. Okay, are you going to share your screen?
Yes. I'm going to share it right now.
Okay, very good. So you can start right now. Well, share your screen and then you can start. I mean.
Excuse me. I don't know how to. Oh, it's not working. Wait a minute. Something's not working. I don't know why. For some reason, my share is not working.
Does it show you that it's disabled?
No, it only says start recording or casting with Zoom, and nothing else happened. Oh, maybe right now.
Okay.
Let's see.
Yeah.
Can you see my?
Yes, we can see your screen.
My screen? Okay.
Yeah. There you go.
Hello, everyone. Thank you for attending this presentation. I'm Marilyn Brizuela. Today, I will be talking about a topic that I like a lot, and it's astronomy. So, to start talking about astronomy, what is astronomy? In small words, it's the science that studies the objects that are outside the Earth, the atmosphere, such as other planets, stars, galaxies, and so on. If you want to have a visual representation of how vast is our universe, you can read about the Hayden Sphere that's at the American Museum of Natural History, the United States, that it has the size of the sun in scale and all the planets in our solar system. The solar system was formed 4.6 billion years ago, and it consists of one star, that is our sun, 8 planets, one dwarf planet, that is Pluto, dozens of moons, and comets, stars, and so on. In the next slide, you can see our solar system and our sun, and the scale in size, but not in terms of orbit. These are some interesting facts that maybe you didn't know about our galaxy. One day in Venus, it's equal to 225 days in Earth. The sun is so big that 1.8 million of Earth could fit inside. And there are planets made of diamonds, also called super Earth. And our estimated worth is about 12,000 millions of dollars. The Earth is the third planet from the sun, and it's the only one known from where life developed and found habitability. It's 70% water and 30% land. The moon is also 1/4 of the Earth's size, almost the size of Australia. It's very rocky and it has no gravity. To conclude with this presentation, I would like to show you in this slide the distance in astronomical units of the planets in relation to our sun. Thank you for listening.
Amazing. Okay. Through this presentation, we could learn a little bit about astronomy and the solar system, which is something important. Actually, this is a topic we never speak about, okay? But thank you for your presentation, Madeline. I really appreciate that you teach us a little bit about this. And well, let me tell you that it was great that even though the vocabulary is not well, some words from your vocabulary from your presentation were not very common. Okay, you did it good. Also, in your presentation, I could see that in the interesting facts we didn't know about the solar system and about the space. You didn't read all the information. That is another good thing you did, and I really appreciate it. Okay, that you read a little bit and then you explain some information that maybe wasn't there, but was also important. Imagine the planets that are made of diamond. So it's amazing. Okay, and imagine how much money you could do with that. With that planet. But that's another thing. Okay, very good, Madeline. Thank you for your presentation. It was also great. That's for you. Okay, nice job. Okay, we finished with our presentations. I am glad, everybody, that I could listen to all of you in today's presentation, Javier, Juan, Marcela, and Marilyn. I hope, everybody, you can continue doing your best, practicing how to make presentations. In this case, everybody, we had the opportunity to speak about any topic, any subject we want to. But continue using the phrases, guys. Continue working on your vocabulary and your nervousness, okay? Because, I know that maybe all of us were nervous when we present, but remember, we can be nervous, but avoid showing your nervousness, okay? That's why, well, as you know, today we finish with this level. So I want to share with you this, everybody. Congratulations. You have successfully completed Business English 1, okay? Keep moving forward and don't stop fighting for your goals. Remember, guys, we are just starting the advanced levels. So I want to invite you guys to continue doing your best and working in the next levels, okay? If you are able, everybody, if you are able to continue with Business English 2, Business English 3, and practicing your English through different skills and different techniques and different things that can help you, I invite you to do it, guys. At the end, remember that English can help you in different areas. Another thing, guys, please finish with all of your activities on the platform. Remember, it is important, guys, for you to do the activities to continue with the next level, okay? I don't know if you have any question or comment or something I can help you with.
I have a comment and question.
Okay.
Will you keep being our teacher or not?
I'm not pretty sure. Actually, I know what will be my next group 1 week before we start.
Okay.
So yeah, I'm not pretty sure. I'm really sorry, guys. Any other question? Okay. If there are no more questions, guys, I really appreciate to be here with you this time. Well, all this level or most of this level. I hope we can continue working hard in the next level. If I continue with you, it will be nice to see you again. And if we won't continue, guys, I invite you to continue doing your best. As you did in this level, guys, continue doing your best in the next one. Okay? It was great. Okay, thank you, Marcela. Okay, thank you, Marcela, and thanks to all of you guys for being here. And well, I hope you have a great night, everybody. And also you can continue doing your best. I hope to see you in the next time. Bye-bye.
Bye. Good job.
Bye, teacher.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you, Javier.